Running a business can be rewarding, but challenging. Who couldn't use help keeping up with it all? Like the maintenance on your machines to prevent delays and downtime. That's where your trusted crew at Carter comes in. We can make sure your machines are easy to own and always ready to work. It starts with a Customer Value Agreement, CVA for short. We'll let you know when it's time for regular maintenance and repairs, even if you want to perform them yourself. We'll order and ship your genuine CAT parts right on schedule, right to you. 'Cause even do-it-yourselfers need a little help doing it all. Or if you prefer, we can perform all the planned maintenance right at the job site. You keep on working with little or no interruption. With a Carter CVA, you can choose the plans and protection that work best for you. That's the beauty of it. And you'll always know the health of your machines with 24/7 real-time monitoring, included with every customer value agreement. A Carter CVA is the easiest way to stay informed, stay on top of your business, and stay ahead of trouble. Talk to your Carter rep for more details or scan this QR code on the screen. Because at Carter, we're your extra set of hands crew, your avoid downtime and delays crew, your ownership made easy crew.